You searched how to buy shares of Theon International Plc, a company operating in advanced industrial engineering and manufacturing that trades on Euronext under the ticker THEON.NV. This content is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to deposit before purchasing. Use the platform search and type the ticker THEON.NV to locate the listing. Choose the result that corresponds to Theon International Plc to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart on the platform. Confirm the company name and ticker match Theon International Plc before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order on eToro. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio view. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.